We are back in at Barnby Level Crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe and Paul Gilman. There we go, time now is 13:49 on Sunday the 2nd of July 2017, and this is for your 13:51 1 Delta 14 Virgin train service from Lunacus Cross to Leeds, and possibly also for your slightly delayed 13:44 1 Sierra 17 Virgin train service from Lunacus Cross to Edinburgh, expected past 13:52. There, look. Just leaving my iPad on the barrier like that. On the edge of the barrier. Perfect. No. Hang on. No. Signal's red that way. Newark's that way, isn't it? Signal's red though. Here's something. We've got 43 to 367. 43 367. 305. Going to Leeds, and up they go. Time now is 13:56 on Saturday, Sunday the 2nd of July 2017. This will be for you 13:56 1 Hotel 03 Hull train service from Lunacus Cross to Hull, expected past 13:58, and that's it. This is the only one closure. It's here. $180, $111. $811 to Hull, and there you go. We are back in a Bull Pit Lane level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe and Paul Gilman. Oh, blooming hell. These barriers are slow bouncing, and that one bangs now, and that one over there doesn't. It's not even bouncing anymore anyway. Time now is 14:10 on Sunday the 2nd of July 2017. This is for you 14:07 1 Sierra 18 Virgin train service from Lunacus Cross to Edinburgh. Let me just, that's apparently early. that passed at 14:04, so it's got to. That's not obviously not the one. It could be for your slightly delayed 1400, 1 hour 31 Virgin train service from Leeds to London King's Cross. Expected past 14. Well, it says at platform. That's King's Cross, isn't it, that way? $82,209. Oh, 90.36. The first 90 I've caught on the ECML, and up they go. Oh, fast. And yet this is the fastest variant. It doesn't bang. That one just goes weird. Funny how all the ECML crossings always do this, like go down really fast and hit the floor really hard, and some just like stop in the air or just stop down and then just bounce really slow. It just shows that they're worn inside. Time now is 14:25 on the Saturday. It's Sunday, the 2nd of July 2017, and this is for your 14. This will be for your 14:26, 1 Delta 15 Virgin train service from London King's Cross to Leeds. A stopper at Newark, expected past 14:27. Is there any chance we'll be stopping for the Sunderland King's Cross at 33? Which way is Broadfen? That way. So behind us, then left. All right. I'm gonna set the postcode, get the postcode up, and see if I can set off before you this time. What? I'm gonna see if I can set off before you this time.
Joe, what is that sound that your car makes?
What?
That sound.
What sound?
It's like when you press the hooter. Horn.
Yeah.
It's like a clown's car.
I know, that's what my mates say. It's weird, isn't it? It's broken. That's basically why. It's it's not broken. It's just, you know, really weird. At first it was normal, but then this idiot pulled out in front of me on the A17 coming past Brant Bruton turning, blasted my horn because he just pulled out and slowed down. And I had to stop. Oh, I'll tell you in a sec. 891 107 Skyfall. 82 229 223 to Leeds, and up they go. And then I pressed it for 4 seconds, and after that it burnt out. So I had to get it fixed, and it didn't work properly after that. Oh wow, that's guys' next video. What? Hi guys, so we're back in at Balderson Level Crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Paul Gilman. This one doesn't bang anymore. They've obviously been and fixed these barriers. What's the point anyway? The time now is 14:43 on Sunday the 2nd of July 2017. I'm still on Newark Northgate's timetable, so I'll switch over now to Claypole Loop. Hey?
42 through the loop.
Alright. Right, this should be 4. Your 14:43, expected 47, 1 Echo 13, Virgin train service from Edinburgh to London King's Cross. Then there's a 53 after that. Did you also get the clown horn after you took that cushion at me? Did you also get the clown horn after you took the cushion at me?
That's what I did it. Clown.
Yeah.
Clown car.
It's not a clown car though.
Screen for kids.
Hey?
Screen for kids.
Oh wow, nice one. The Carltons are hilarious. Signal's just gone green that way. That one's still amber, so it's obviously coming from that way, isn't it? You sure? Because the next one's in 10 minutes. Oh, here it is. Oh yeah, there's a 14:39 expected 42, one Echo 95 Virgin train service from Edinburgh to Ludicrous Cross. It said it's already passed at 42 though. There was nothing at 42. There's a 47 and there's a 53 from King's Cross to Sunderland. This is a HST East Virgin. This is a Virgin HST, so it's not going to Sunderland, is it? Yeah, this is the Edinburgh King's Cross train. We've got 43, 320. 43, 320, 315 to London King's Cross, and up they go. Time now is 14:51 on Sunday the 2nd of July 2017. Hang on a minute, I've just gone on the pad, I've just gone off, turn that off a sec. I was showing Paul Gurmanay's Barnby Lane in slow motion video. This will be for your 14:50, hang on a second, this will be for the 14:53, or 14:52 expected 53, 1 November 92 Grand Central service from King's Cross to Sunderland. Fourth time I've been to this crossing when it's the new barriers. Hey? I know it is. I'm just filming it like this so the crossing's in view until it comes. Not all over my windscreen though. Like I was catching his breath then, didn't it? Signal's just gone green. Here it is. Well, this is quick as well. This is a quick closure for this crossing. I'm glad we didn't catch that other closure though. That big one that we came on. 43, 468. 468, 43, 465 to Sunderland, and there you go. I keep on thinking it's doing the maxi barrier, but it's the cow mooing. Here we are back in at Claypole level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Paul Gilman. New barriers. Jesus! This doesn't even dampen. Time is 15:15 on Sunday the 2nd of July 2017. This is for you 15, 14, your slide late 15:12, 1 Yankee 35 Virgin train service from Newcastle to London King's Cross, better past 15:14, and possibly also even for your 15:19, 1 Delta 17 Virgin train service from London King's Cross to Leeds. This barrier has had its tag stolen, its plate stolen, and the other one is on the other side. And I know who's got the plate as well, no name mentioned. He claims he got it out that box up there, but I don't think he did. By the way, if you get a plate off a barrier, if a signaller gets a plate off a barrier and keeps it in there, then why would he give it away? Why don't you just stick it back on the barrier so that people know what year it's made, and so the Network Rail guys know everything about the barrier? I reckon it was just peeled off and taken by no name mentioned. This is quite a good angle I'm sat at. This is quite a good angle I'm sat at. I've got both the lights and the barrier over there here. I've got part of this barrier here, and I've got the whole line down there. And the signal box as well. Here it is. $43,274. British Sunderland. 274 to 43,277 to Leeds, and stay in. We've got another 10-minute wait now then. 28's the next one. This alarm's starting to go a bit pink now. That alarm was always actually pinkish anyway. Is. $91,126. other one was going to Lunakey's Cross. The alarm's gone slow now. Ooh. Time now is 15:27 on Sunday the 2nd of July 2017. This is for you. It's 15:23, expected 28, 1 Echo 14 Virgin train service from Edinburgh to Lunakey's Cross. There's 2 Edinburgh trains 4 minutes apart. So there's a King's Cross to Edinburgh at 28 and there's another one at 32 going from Edinburgh to King's Cross. This power has been on the 7th of April 2016. And already the weight's starting to get rusty. H2230. H2230 to 91 130. I think that was Lord Mayor of Newcastle, and up they go. What? That's your Osterfen level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Paul Gilman. Still don't bang here. Time is 15:36 on Sunday the 2nd of July 2017. This is for you 15:39 1 Sierra 21 Virgin train service from Lunakey's Cross to Edinburgh, expected past 15:38. How am I going to beat you to Barnby?
You're going to go outside to Bridle Way.
No, I'm not. I didn't even know that way. You could go that way.
You don't know that way?
No, I'll have a look though on Google Maps. There is no Bridle Way.
There is.
How far up the road?
It's about a quarter mile down there.
Then left, and it's all the way down there.
Yeah, it brings you right out to Barnby.
No, it's not.
Okay, fine.
He's probably trying to get me to go down there so I get lost, and then like you beat me there. Me and Paul are having a race to all the crossings. We're not doing anything stupid, but we're just seeing who can get set off first. Sometimes it's me, sometimes it's him. Paul,
Sometimes it's me, sometimes it's you.
yeah, I got off at Boulderton first, and then I, travelled about 5 miles an hour down the road to annoy him. And on the way down to Boulderton, he splashed Crusham up my windscreen.
I did not.
You did?
That's a lie.
He was in his car in front of mine. We went to KFC for lunch. I got a Crusham from there. I left it in his car because I sat in there and I forgot it was in there. So he found it in his cup holder, picked it up and chucked it out the window, and it hit my windscreen and it went all over the place. And so we've just been to a shop so I can go and get some screen washers. I've not actually got any. I didn't have any, so I couldn't clean it all the way, could I? And next thing he did, well, I got away first at Boulderton, so I did 5 miles an hour just to annoy him, and then sped off. And then he set off here first, at Claypole first, because he was behind me. I got out first, but then he blocked my way, and then he just reversed in the road and then just went off. So I'm going to get off this time first. Just need to turn the car around, don't I? Yep, here it is. This is going to Edinburgh. No, it's not, is it? It's going to King's...
Yeah.
Oh, to Edinburgh, yeah. Been bitten by something. Another reason you can call Coddington haunted is because you got bitten by a spider there, didn't you?
Yeah.
You got 91 112. 11 to Edinburgh, and up they go. Oh dear, slow. That sounds different. Oh, it bangs. Time now is 15:56 on Sunday the 2nd of July 2017. This before your 15:57 1 Alpha 94 first haul, or not first haul, Hull train service from Hull to King's Cross, and your 15:53 1 Hotel 05 Hull train service from King's Cross to Hull to 58. There goes Barmy Lane, 180 110. 110 to Nottingham Cross, and there you go. Well done. We are back in Barmy Lane level crossing in Lincolnshire with Gerald Paul Gilman. That one back. Time is 16:14 on Sunday the 2nd of July 2017. This is for your 16:14 1 Yankee 38 Virgin train service from Newcastle to King's Cross, better past 16:15. The next one I thought is for 23. Where the first one that barrier's touched the floor. The other two crossings are still up. There goes Oster. Claypole still up. There it goes. Hey? No, we haven't. Here it is. Claypole's just literally gone down and the train's nearly here.
It's about 4 miles away.
Hey?
It's about 4 miles down there.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's not far from Bolton.
Where you see that come round the corner, it's the corner, right round the corner into Newark Station.
Oh.
That's that corner. That's how far away it is.
Alright.
About 3 miles.
See, it's Barnby on that straight.
Pardon?
It's Barnby on that straight.
Yeah.
Well, the train's nearly at Balderton now.
Well, it might look like it, probably not.
It is. Bolton's just gone up. Bolton looks a lot closer than further than it is. H2 200, 22 22. 22 to 91. Oh, that's a new livery on that. 132. Put in the comments what that livery is. Up there you go. It's got writing on it. This one bangs now. Time now is 16:23 on Sunday the 2nd of July 2017. This is for you 16:24 1 Echo 16 Virgin train service from Edinburgh to London Cross, about 16:26. Well, I'll go up to the. I'll go when you've gone. I'll go up and do the crossings up to Egmanton from South Muskham, and I'll probably try and do a few of the crossings from Newark Castle towards up towards Nottingham. See how far I get, and then I'll come back to you.
Okay.
Then we could do something else if you want. There's some crossings I haven't done yet. I'd like to do after Thurgerton. I'll probably go up towards Loudham and try and do some of the crossings I've not done yet. Up towards Nottingham, like Bulcoat. I'd like to do that again. Burton Joyce.
Alright.
What else have I not done yet? I've not done Stoke Lane for a long time. Carlton. I could probably try going up there for a bit.
Alright.
Or actually, what I could do is do that afterwards. Do that after I've left you, and then we'll go up towards Egmanton tonight if you want.
I'm not going to go there tonight, Joe. I'm going to work tomorrow as well.
Right, so you're going to South Muskham tonight after work?
Maybe. I'm coming yet.
There's quite a few trains tonight. Yep, here it is. $43, $295. That has to be special on it as well. $43, $295, $43, 307 to King's Cross, and up they go. They had some rainbow on the front of that one. I'll have a look in a minute. King's Cross. Now about to pass Barnby Lane level crossing. There's a class 90 going from King's Cross. I think it's going to Edinburgh, isn't it? Let's just say that. Can't be bothered to get my phone out now. These can only do 110 miles an hour. 90.029. 90.029 to 82. 202.
I'm not got a clue where that went. We'll see if we can find it.
1 minute. Hi guys, you're back in at South Muskham level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe and Paul Gilman. I'll talk to you in a sec. Okay. Right, I was just on call with Paul there because I needed to tell him something, but time is 17:25 on Sunday the 2nd of July 2017. Let me just get the timetable as I'm still on Claypole Loop. Hang on. I just had to load up a completely new page. Right, and this is for your 1726 expected 28 1 Delta 21 Virgin train service from London King's Cross to Leeds. So we're coming from this way. Here it is already. I'll check if this is a stopper at Newark as well. I don't know if it is or not. Yeah, it was. So this would have just come out of Newark Northgate. We are back in at Baffley Level Crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe Thorpe. No bangs. Time now is 17:36 on Sunday the 2nd of July 2017, and this is for your 1738 1 Echo 19 Virgin train service from Aberdeen to London King's Cross, and you're possibly for your 1742 1 Alpha 41 Virgin train service from Leeds to London King's Cross. We might be going up after that, but then we might be going, and I'm going to head straight over to North Muskham. This yodel lamp is starting to lose its colour a bit, but it's lost a lot of colour actually, because it was bright red when it was first put up there, like literally rose red. The sun wears it down. The sun actually takes the colour out of it. I thought it was the rain that did that. What I want to see is, you know those alarms of rye, those ones in the boxes, I want to see if they're bright red still, because they've had no sunlight to actually get rid of all the colour on them. I'm going to see if I can beat the 1741 train up to get to North Muskham. Here it is. You have. $43,312. $290 to King's Cross, and up they go. No bang. All these barriers really, the ECML really do need redoing. It may cost a lot of money, but they are still in good condition, or not really, but they do still work, but they do need redoing. Time now is 17:39 on Sunday the 2nd of July 2017. This is for your 17 This will be for your 1742 1 Alpha 41 Virgin train service from Leeds to London King's Cross, especially 41. We did the Brayford as well. Here it comes. East Mids HST. Got 43.61. 43.61. 43.059 to King's Cross. There they go. We are back again at North Muskham level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe Thorpe. That barrier bangs now. Wonder how many barriers will be banging when we get down to Claypole Lane. Time now is 17:49 on Sunday the 2nd of July 2017. This is before your 1750 1 Delta 22 Virgin train service from London King's Cross to Leeds, and your 1752 1 Alpha 95 Hull train service from Hull to London King's Cross. That fish is going back down, so it's obviously coming from this way first. Thank you. 180, 111. 111 to London King's Cross, and up they go. Guys, we're back in at Cromwell Lane level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe Thorpe. No bang, time is 18:07 on Sunday the 2nd of July 2017. This is for have a look. Right, this will be for your delayed 17:31 1 Alpha 87 Grand Central service from Bradford Interchange to London King's Cross, about to pass 89:08. We've got 181:12. 181:12 to King's Cross, and here we are back again at Carlton on Trent level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe Thorpe. Still doesn't bang. None of them do. Time now is 18:18 on Sunday the 2nd of July 2017. This will be for your 18. Well, there's a few trains expected to pass it around now. They could, I don't know, but there's a slightly delayed 18:11, 1 hour 43 Virgin train service from Leeds, London King's Cross, expected past 18:17, which I think is just gone. Also your 18:11, 1 Sierra 23, 20, that's gone already, sorry. 18:15, expected 17, 1 Echo 20 Virgin train service from Edinburgh, London King's Cross. That's, yeah, the signal's just gone double amber, so that might be the train. I know we're not staying for the 18:24, expected 25, 1 at Delta 23 from Leeds, London King's Cross to Leeds. I very much doubt we're staying for that. If we are, then there's a problem. 82206. 69 102 City of York to King's Cross, and there you go. Here we are back again at Bulcoat level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe Thorpe. Time now is 19:42 on Sunday the 2nd of July 2017. This is for you. 19:42, 1 2 Lima 83, East Midlands train service from Nottingham to Lincoln Central. We've got 156 411. 156 411 to Lincoln, and up they go. We are back again at Burton Joy Station, level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe Thorpe. The barrier's a bit bent. Time now is 19:48 on Sunday the 2nd of July 2017. This is for you. 19:51, expected 48. What Chillingham at 78. East Midlands train service from Lincoln Central to Nottingham. We have 156 497. 156 497 to Nottingham, and up they go. We are back again at Stoke Lane level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe Thorpe. The time now is 20:44 on Sunday the 2nd of July 2017. This is for your 20:46 Chillingham at 85 East Midlands train service from Nottingham to Lincoln Central. We have 158 799. 799 to Lincoln, and there we go. We are back again at Carlton station level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe Thorpe. All the barriers bang here now. Time now is 20:52 on Sunday the 2nd of July 2017. And this is for your 20:55, expected 54, 2 Lima 82 East Midlands train service from Lincoln Central to Nottingham. You've got no Leicester trains running at the moment. I don't know if they've been running today or not. I've not got the full day up, but I presume they have. I'm going to go to Collick level crossing after this, and I'm going back to Newark to meet Paul out of the theatre, Newark Palace Theatre. Then we're going to go and do some night filming. Depends if he's up to it though. Here it is. We've got 153,381. 153,381 to 153,308 into Nottingham. We are back again at Colic Level Crossing in Nottingham with Joe Thorpe. That's dropped its tone. Nearly banged. It was that close to the floor, to the flipping pavement. That one, those two bang. That one doesn't leave the floor, and that one there touches the floor. The time now is 21:10 on Sunday the 2nd of July 2017. This will be for your 21:11 to Sierra 28 Eastman's train service from Skegness to Nottingham expected past 21:10. Didn't realise that barrier there would touch the floor though. It's pretty clever. That's pretty good. That is. Well, obviously it's not good, but I like it. I like it when barriers hit the floor because it makes it's a good part. It's a good sound when it hits the floor, and it's good for the video as well. I know I called this crossing Snenton last time, but I don't know why, because SR Trains Level Crossing Channel called it that. I think Steve D1 called it that as well, but that's why I called it, so it's known by you lot. But it's called Colic, and everybody else is calling it Colic, and is asking me to call it Colic when I come here again, which is now. So I'll be happy to know call it Colic. Here it comes. One 153,310. 153,310 to 156,403 to Nottingham, and I wonder what time it goes into night mode.
There you go.
Oh, you can hear it perfectly. Nice.
Can't quite capture it on film there.
Funny how you can hear it better at night.
There's no noise.
Barely. There wasn't any noise today either, was there? Barely.
There's not.
There you go. Claypole's down. I reckon Claypole would have gone first anyway. I just need to load into the timetable properly. I need to go on to. Yeah. The last train of the day tonight is 23:55. There's quite a few trains running. The next train is the 22:26, 1 Echo 28 Virgin train service from Edinburgh to Lincoln's Cross, which is that, and then there's a 22:54 076 Hotel. Great EWS service from Scunthorpe Redbourne sidings to Dollins Moor. All right. You've uploaded a Bambi video, that's all. It sounds like it's going quite slow. Did you just hear that noise then? This actually might be a 90 puller or a pusher because it's not going full speed. This might be a 90 on the back of this. '91 111 for the falling on the back. I didn't catch the front, and up they go.